sip and serve with Russels.
Hey everyone. Today we're making a bacon sesame roll. It all starts with the basics. Sesame oil, butter, bacon slices, rosemary, some boiled veggies, pepper, and sesame seeds. A drizzle of sesame oil hits the pan. Followed by a cube of butter. As it melts, the aroma fills the air. Smooth, rich, and golden. The butter is stirred gently, coating the pan beautifully. Next, a sprig of rosemary goes in, sizzling softly, soaking up the butter, and releasing that fragrant, earthy aroma. Now comes the bacon. It lands on the pan with that perfect sizzle, a sound every kitchen loves. The rosemary, having done its job, is taken out and set aside on the board. A quick flip, and the other side turns golden. Golden, sizzling, and ready. It's placed on the board, layered with fresh cucumber and carrot sticks, adding a burst of color and crunch. Rolled up tight. Sealed with a toothpick. Creamy mayonnaise drizzles over the top, followed by a sprinkle of pepper. And a shower of sesame seeds. Simple ingredients, layered with care, creating one irresistible bacon sesame roll. It's neat and picture perfect. Thank you for watching. See you again with another recipe soon.